Hello friend, today I'll show you how to install Pixel in your website with event API or custom event. So if you are newer in my channel, please subscribe, and after entering your business manager account you will come click the tools and then event. Okay, so it will take some time to from in this page, and if you are newer in my channel, please subscribe and follow my Facebook page. Then I will click the web event. Okay, these pages are taking too much time because it's working very slowly. So if you are newer in my channel, please subscribe, and if you have any question, you can find my contact information in the description box. Okay, you can contact me there and follow my Facebook page also. Then I will click the create now. Okay, then I will keep a name, this pixel. You can keep your client name or your client website name or your website name here. Okay, then I will click the pixel, TikTok pixel. You also click the eventify, but I will choose the pixel. Then I will choose the custom manual code. Okay, then custom code, because it's easier to me. Both all of are easier, but I will use this one. I'm sorry for the background noise. Then I will copy this code, and I will put this code in the website header section. Okay, so if you have a website or your client website, just copy this code and put it in your header section. So I am in the back end in my website, and it's a Shopify website. You can see the theme, and you just click the three dot and go to the edit code. Okay, then put it in the headers of this code. Okay, between the headers you can paste it in the first header, after the first header, or before the last header. Okay, so I will find the last header and I will put here. Okay, this is last header. I find it and I will make some space here. I'll click the three space so I can identify it next time easily. Then I will paste here. Okay, then save it. Okay, and here I complete the pixel. Then I will click the next, and sorry, I will click advanced matching, and I'll check this again, and I'll click next and complete. Okay, so if you download the TikTok pixel helper, so then install and download, and you complete it. Okay, so TikTok pixel helper actually help to show you your pixel in the tracking. Okay, so then see this pixel are working. This is pixel helper. Okay, Uh, so finally I set up. Then I will finish the complete it, and I have to set up this web event. Okay, so I'll set up this web event. So I'll click the setting, then I'll go to the add event. Okay, so I will describe you only one event, then you will continue. So I'll click the event, then I'll click the event, and then I'll choose the what kind of event I need view content first. You have to follow the sequence. Okay, website one by one, come by turns. Okay, then I'll go to my website and click one product, or uh, then I'll bring the URL and URL keyword. Okay, then not full keyword, just bring the keyword, uh, not the domain name. Okay, just keyword. After the you will find the after the domain name, then I'll go to the next page, add to cart. Okay, you have to follow the sequence first, then I'll check the view cart and I'll cart just from the URL, and this is this event name is view cart. Okay, so I'll add to cart. Okay, then I'll use this keyword here and I'll bring another, so checkout. Okay, so same process, I hope you understand. Okay, if you have any question you can contact me. You will find my contact information in the description box, and if you also you can comment, I will try to reply. Okay, and subscribe my channel, and also please follow my Facebook page and like and share. I am just I am finishing, try to finishing it. You can click create a custom event, so I am creating a custom event, and I'll paste the whole URL here, and I'll check the arrow, so I'll create the custom event shipping page. If you need to set up your install your pixel in your website, you can contact my contact information, you will find from the description box. Okay, so I already click finished my event setup. Then I'll check it, I'll bring any URL from my website, and I'll generate a QR code, and you scan from your mobile, and it will take you your website. That means your pixel setup. Finally you successfully set up your website, you have pixel, and this is the process. And if you have any questions you can comment, I will try to reply, or you will contact me. My contact information you will found in the description box. And thank you so much. Bye.